dear students, today let us begin with a new topic, circulatory and the excretory system. We all know that our body is made up of different organ systems. An organ system is a group of organs that work together to perform a particular function of our body. We have already learned about the digestive system in our last chapter. There are many organ systems in our body. Some of the important organ systems are nervous system, respiratory system, circulatory system, digestive system, muscular system, skeletal system, excretory system. Among all these systems, we will learn about circulatory system and excretory system. The circulatory system is an organ system that helps in transporting substances such as nutrients, oxygen and carbon dioxide in our body through blood. It is made up of heart, blood and blood vessels. The organs that together form circulatory system are heart, blood, blood vessels. The blood vessels are further subdivided into arteries, veins and capillaries. Heart. The heart is a hollow muscular organ which is about the size of the owner's fist and shaped like a blunt cone. It is located centrally between the lungs with nearly 2/3 of its mass towards the left of the midline. The muscle of the heart is called the cardiac muscle, brings out the blood circulation throughout the body by the capacity of rhythmic contraction and relaxation in response to self-generated impulses. Blood. Blood is a fluid connective tissue which flows inside the blood vessels and transport nutrients. It transports respiratory gases, nutrients, waste products, hormones, minerals and enzymes. It also protects the body from entering a foreign organism by producing antibodies. Blood regulates the temperature of our body. Blood is composed of the liquid part plasma, the cellular part red blood cell, white blood cell and platelets. Blood vessels. Blood vessels form a network of tubes that carry blood away from the heart, transport it to the tissues of the body and then return it to the heart. There are three main types: arteries, veins and capillaries. Arteries carry blood from the heart to the tissues. Arteries carry oxygenated blood. The arteries are generally deep-seated and the blood flows through the arteries under pressure. Veins. Veins carry blood towards the heart. The blood flowing through them is generally deoxygenated except pulmonary vein, which carries oxygenated blood. Capillaries. Capillaries are the thin-walled microscopic blood vessels. It forms an extensive network throughout the tissues. Its branching nature increases the surface area and the thin walls allow rapid exchange of material between blood and tissue cells. Capillaries also connect artery and vein. Excretory system. The excretory system helps in removing waste from our body. The process by which waste get removed from our body is called excretion. The excretory system is made up of pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. Organs of excretory system. There are mainly 4 parts of the excretory system. Number A, kidneys. Number B, ureters. Number C, urinary bladder. Number D, urethra. Kidneys. Here in this diagram, we can see both the external view and the internal view of kidney. So we can say the kidneys are the 2 bean-shaped organs located on either side of the backbone and protected by the last 2 ribs. These are the primary excretory organs throwing out excretory products, mainly urea in the form of urine. Ureters. A tube-like structure called ureter arises from the notch in the median surface of each kidney and connects behind the urinary bladder. These ureters help in the transportation of urine from kidneys to urinary bladder. Urinary bladder and urethra. Urinary bladder stores the urine and the urine is expelled out from our body by the urethra. Let us recap. Circulatory system consists of heart, blood vessels. Blood vessels are further subdivided into arteries, veins and capillaries. Excretory system. The excretory system is made up of a pair of kidneys, a pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. So we have studied about the kidney, the function of the ureters, urinary bladder and also about urethra. Assignment. Students, please complete these assignments in your notebook.